That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Santon Plus Herbal Capsule.
Ako po si Angelica. May bukol po ako sa tuhod, kaya hirap po talaga ako maglakad. Nag-take ako ng Santon Plus araw-araw at isang buwan lang. Palit ang bukol ko. Epektibo talaga ang Santon Plus Herbal Capsule.
Santon Plus. Mabibili sa mga butika. Santon Vitamin C. Ang alkaline na vitamin C.
Ako po si Jenny Lynn, isa akong banker para maboost ng aking immune system at protektado sa anumang sakit. Santon Vitamin C ang iniinom ko dahil hindi ko ramdam ang pagod sa araw-araw na trabaho.
Santon Vitamin C. Ang alkaline na vitamin C. Mabibili sa pinakamalapit na butika sa inyong lugar.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max protektado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Madali na ba mag-cash in sa Bingo Plus? Official partner na namin ng Bayad Center. E-license ba yan ng PAGCOR? Kaya responsible gaming lagi and fun gaming na may insurance. So feel first, insured ang wallet mo ng 1 billion pesos. Safe nga! E talaga naman fast sa Bingo Plus.
Tandaan, gambling for 21 years old and above only. Gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop. Visit responsiblegaming@hagcor.ph.
Bingo Plus! Bingo sa saya, plus sa panalo! Gambling is for 21 years old and above only. Gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop!
To serve the public well, I have to take care of myself first. As an information officer in a regional government office, grabe talaga ang demands. Long hours, fieldwork, and managing campaigns for 20 programs all at once. Thank God for the strength na binigay niya sa akin. At syempre, in my part, I eat healthy foods and I exercise regularly. Last sa tulong ng MX3 capsule na verified with alpha, beta, and gamma mangosteen. Ako si Michelle Franca, MX3 capsule, dito ako believe.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
MX3. Tunay, natural at original.
DCXL 55